Okay, guys, hope you are all well and having a fabulous week. Today, let's pick the three winners of my VIP Lounge membership giveaway. I will put the link of the video down below, but in the video, I have give everybody the chance to win this month VIP Lounge papers, which is my traditional 3 paper packs and a letterbox. So I will pick 3 of you that have followed the rule. The only rule was to tell me in the comments what would you make using the papers. So I'm gonna pick a winner using this criteria. So let's get the winner number 1. Let's see if the person... So Debbie Walker, love the alphabet letters. They would be so cute around my craft room. D for Debbie. Thank you, love you, and my God bless you today. So Debbie, congratulations, you have won. D for Debbie brought you certainly some luck. Winner number 2. For the third one, I will cut the sheets with 4 images and turn into journal cards and with writing spaces on the reverse. So well done to Susie 6999. Sorry, I'm without my glasses, so I can't really see properly. I think I should put the glasses on. And winner and comment number 3 is Credence Kalari 1578. Love spell, I will make loads of ephemera. So well done, 3 lovely ladies. Please send me an email to antoniomakes@hotmail.com. So I will send you the 3 digital papers pack and the letter gift box to your email address. Thank you so much to all of you guys that have participated. It means the world to me. And next month, there will be another one. Yeah, there is a chance to win my VIP papers every month. So subscribe to my channel and check out all my giveaways. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Have a fabulous rest of the day, and I'll speak to you very soon. Bye.